Alright, y'all. So here we go again. It's the day after Christmas. The sun never came out today. It's a rainy day. We didn't have a white Christmas, but that's okay. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our leftovers from Christmas dinner, which is just some mac and cheese and some of them gumbo greens. And I'm gonna make some fresh barbecue. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna make some fresh barbecue to go with the leftovers that we had from our Christmas dinner, which was some gumbo greens and some mac and cheese. I got some pork steaks. I got some smoked sausage. I'll probably throw out some of them jumbo beef hot dogs out here. And then I got some chicken wings. So that's how it's going down. We ain't going too crazy today. We're just gonna make some good, fresh barbecue to go with those after Christmas leftovers. So let's get it. First thing I gotta do is get my cover off my grill. And then I'm gonna make sure it's nice and clean before I start heating it up. Simple as that. Get the fire cranked up. Go inside. Start getting our meat ready. Yep, so this is how it's gonna go down for after Christmas barbecue. And I forgot I got this whole chicken too. And I got that whole chicken real good deal. So hopefully when I bust it open, it's still good. We'll find out, and then we'll get everything cleaned up and go from there. First, we'll go back outside, transfer my coals over to the smoker / griller and get it heated up. Let me do that. Yeah, the coals is ready. We gotta get them moved over here. Go in here, season this meat, bring it out. It's going down. Got the grates moved over. Now I'm gonna put all my stuff back in here and let it get hot so I can clean it off real good. My whole chicken clean, and I cut it in half. Now, I believe I even forgot to even mention that I had a whole chicken, but you can see it in the intro. But yeah, it's all clean. Now, I gotta get my pork steaks rinsed off, clean my chicken wings, cut up my smoked sausage, and then I'm gonna season everything the same way with that quadruple blend. Some seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, get it out on the grill. I got it nice and heated up. I almost cleaned everything off. And I'm gonna go in here, get all my meat now. Bring it out here. We ready to get it going. Yes, sir. Got all the meat out here. Gonna pop it on, all of it. Got the smoked sausage. We're gonna see where we're gonna put this stuff. I think I'm gonna put my pork steaks back here in the cut. Put the pork steaks over there in the cut like that. In the cut, we're just gonna surround the coals. Not gonna go directly over the coals. We're gonna surround them. Let everything cook real good. And then we'll get the final texture that we want on everything at the end. But I almost forgot that one thing I do like to do, even when I'm regular style grilling, is I'll go ahead and I'll go through the side and I will toss some of that hickory wood up in there. You know what I'm saying? Just to get that flavor, I'll throw a couple blocks in there. Get that flavor. Even though I'm regular barbecue, I like to do that. So, peep the game. You see them blazing up. Now let's go ahead and shut that lid. So I'm gonna get my barbecue sauce ready. Yes, sir. So we rocking at 325. Let's see how it's looking. We just got everything going. Oh yeah, it's looking good in here. Nice. Stuff is looking super good. See what's up. See how we doing out here. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Sir, we got it all flipped again. It's looking amazing out here. All right, so we gotta work this out so we can get this food done. So what I'm seeing is a lot of this is ready to be sauced up. So got my sauce. Let's go. And yes, we got them jumbo beef dogs in the game now. Jumbo beef dogs are in the game. The only thing I have left now to do is make me a plate. So, plate out. Get what I want. Let me get some of this rice. I just made this rice today. It was not part of our Christmas dinner, but I had some sausage in the fridge and I needed to use it, and so I hooked up some of that dirty rice that I be making. And then some of this mac and cheese. Some little taste because it ain't a lot left. Today, just like everybody is. The steak and the sausage are there. That and get I think I'm gonna rock with a couple wings. Let me get a couple of them wings out of here. That's my plate right there. There we go. That's my plate. I appreciate everybody watching. Until we meet again.